everyone, my name is Alexis. I'm a full-time reseller on ThredUP, Mercari, Facebook Marketplace, and now Poshmark. And I was unboxing one of my shipments I just got. It's just a 25-piece mixed women's, and if you watched a previous video, you know that that's my favorite box to resell from. I think the items are really great. But I mostly get my items from the Pennsylvania warehouse because I live in Philadelphia. I was unboxing this and I was like, Pennsylvania did it again. This warehouse has consistently given me great things in this box. The entire box with shipping is $65.99. For me at least, that's taxes and everything. And I always get designer pieces in these boxes. Average cost of goods is under $3 per item. It's very rare that I would get something like H&M, Forever 21 from this warehouse. I know from the Georgia warehouse, I have gotten those things and have not really been pleased, but you can't really pick and choose where your boxes come from. It's kind of just like luck of the draw. But this box came today and I was very thrilled. So I was like, oh man, now I have to pull myself together and make a video. So I will go through what I got. There's some really great pieces in here. I'll go through what I got and where I'm sending each item. Okay, the first piece is Finders. I looked this up. I believe it's Finders Keepers and it's super cute. If this was my size, I would definitely keep it. It's a wide leg jumpsuit. Does have a little bit of staining here, but I feel like that could easily come out. It just looks like something got on it. And again, with these clothes are rarely ripped, stained. It's very rare that they are damaged. So it just blows my mind that these boxes are so good. I stand my ground when I say these boxes are such an underrated box. I think more and more people are getting them though because they have been like sold out when I go on. So if I see it up, I'm gonna try to get it. Okay, Finders size small. And they have like this slit up the leg. Super quality, low back, very cute. I'll try to sell that myself, I think. If not, I will take that to a buy-sell trade store and get store credit. Loft, Zero Petite. These are the style is called Marissa. These are going back to ThredUP for obvious reasons. Loft and then the size Zero Petite. They'll probably just go into a ThredUP box without return assurance. I don't really know what to do with those. Okay, Sanctuary. I can't tell if this is a dress or this cool coat. I feel like every Sanctuary piece I get is missing the size. Is that just me or do you guys find that too? It's denim, long sleeve. I feel like this is maybe a small or medium, but I can't tell if it's like this denim trench coat or if it's actually a dress. Okay, but I'll try to sell that myself. ThredUP does not take items without sizes, so they'll just send that right back to me. Okay, we have a Tahari US size 12, just a black dress. Very thick, and it has this like silk satin detail on it, just like your little black dress, but more. Also, sorry if you see my ring light. I am wearing my glasses today. I do wear glasses on the regular, but since I got my circle light, you can like see that and I don't like that. But since I pulled out my camera and my filming my camera, it's my phone. I'm gonna do a what sold video, what sold my first month of Poshmark. So if you wanna see that, that'll probably be the next video. Okay, we have Banana Republic, size small, and this looks like a kind of a cropped sweater, I would say. And the sleeves are different texture. These are knitted a different way. I don't know the terms for knitting, and then the neck is square. This is cute. Normally I would not be like super thrilled about Banana Republic, but I feel like this is a early 2000s, like a very Y2K look. Size small, petite. Even though it's so cute, I'll probably just end up sending it back to ThredUP based on the size. Okay, we have Halston Heritage. It doesn't have a size right off the bat. It might have a size down here. If you can't find the size in one place, always check the next. I'm not seeing a tag down there. It could be hidden, but it's this off the shoulder long dress. I'm not too familiar with Halston dresses. I can look it up real fast. I have my computer here. Okay, so these Halston formal dresses are selling on Poshmark for, anywhere from 100 to over 1,000. So I'm not really sure what style this is. I doubt I would get like $1,000, but maybe I'll take the chance and try to sell this myself. This would be great for a winter wedding. It's very long. It's like a deep purple color, and it has one like long sleeve. This would be so beautiful. I'm not sure if it's like a bridesmaid's dress or something. I don't know. But there's several pieces in this box that I know could sell and pay for the whole box. This is one of my favorite pieces in the box. Chic Wish, handmade with love. And it's this cool pom-pom sweater. Look how cute this is. I haven't tried this on, but I'm almost tempted to keep this myself because it just looks so cool. And as you can tell, I live in Philadelphia. It already feels like winter here. Okay, so it's 40% wool, 60% acrylic, made in China. It's so cute. Okay. Size 2 Madewell dress. Super cute. And on ThredUP, you can send in all seasons, and on Poshmark, I'm enlisting all seasons. People buy, random things. Also, people who live in other states have other climates, so they're looking for different things, or people are going on vacation, so list what you have, list the seasons that you have. Don't be afraid to list, in the dead of winter, bathing suits and sundresses. But yeah, this is super cute. It has like a little keyhole right here. Madewell size 2. I'm not a fan of the size, but the dress is so cute. Okay. I think I'm gonna try to sell that myself. Ann Taylor size 4. These are going back to ThredUP. Ann Taylor does pretty well on ThredUP for me. These are pretty cute, stretchy, gold detailed dress pants with elastic waist. Banana Republic Madman, I'm not sure what that means, but these are size 0. What, is there like a Madman line? What does that mean? These are pretty cute. These look honestly bigger than a size 0, especially to be like mid-rise. I would say these are more like size 4, honestly, and sometimes things are sized wrong, which is why they get sent to ThredUP, and then ThredUP sends them to the rescue box. These are just some cool plaid pants. We have a Lily Pulitzer, and this is their classic identifiable print, which makes me happy because sometimes you get like Lily Pulitzer or like another designer and you're like, okay, that's a cool brand. Like I'm happy about that brand, but it doesn't have their trademark, like signature colors, logo, whatever. So it's gonna be harder to sell. But this is their signature look. And it's a sundress in size large. And when people see this, they're gonna say, yep, it's Lily Pulitzer. We have an LaFleur New York size 10. And I got another LaFleur. I consistently get, I've never gotten Lily Pulitzer, I don't think. Not that kind, but I consistently get LaFleur, Theory, and Lululemon from the Pennsylvania warehouse. Each box, I guarantee every single box has had at least one of those things. Okay. So, oh, that and Michael Kors. Okay, just like a black dress. This doesn't have the size here, it's just like this blank tag, but it is Lululemon. It has a metal piece instead of like the logo, and it does have the size. It's in one of the pockets. It's size 2. This is the asymmetrical cowl neck jacket, and it's pretty heavyweight. I think this will sell really quickly. Lululemon flies. Anything you have has like a 100% sell-through rate. So the Lululemon pieces alone usually pay for my box. Banana Republic size small sheer blouse. Going back to ThredUP. Oh, and Vince Camuto. Vince Camuto is usually in these boxes. Vince Camuto, extra small, glittery, long sleeve, stretchy blouse. Wow, that is super glittery on camera. And the glitter's not falling off on the other pieces, which is great. This looks pretty cool. This would be cool for New Year's and Christmas. Wow. Okay. I'm not sure how that will photograph. Maybe it'll photograph well, but if it doesn't, then it's going into ThredUP. Okay, I'm thinking this is my favorite item in the box, aside from that pom-pom sweater and then that first jumpsuit. This is a Lily Pulitzer size small puffer jacket. Beautiful, there's nothing wrong with it. And these boxes are items that were like rejected, but at the same time, there's items that people just never reclaimed, and ThredUP wants to make a quick flip on them, so they just put them in the boxes. So this has the signature print inside. I haven't looked inside yet. These jackets go for a lot, especially ones that look like this. That's incredible. J. Crew size 8. This is a neat dress as well. This feels really interesting. This is sheer right here. Then it has these swirl details. It kind of reminds me of like a lace tablecloth. This might be linen. Let me see. Oh, the tag's cut off. No, it's cotton and polyester. I believe I will send this back into ThredUP. Oh, I lied about one of my favorite pieces. It's coming. This box just hit it out of the park. Pennsylvania warehouse did it again. Okay, Philosophy dresses extra small. Just like a t-shirt dress. Loft new tags extra small. This is a cool shirt. If this was my size, I would want this. I might sell it myself because it is new tags. Just a flowy shirt. This is so cute too. Alice and Olivia small. I believe this is a small. This is so pretty. Like I said, this box just hit it out of the park. Like, wow, a baseball reference. These flowy sleeves. It's kind of like a wrap in the front. Beautiful. That is so cool. We're still going. J. Crew medium, new with tags, pea coat. I think I'm gonna sell this myself, or I might keep this. I don't know. Look how cool this is. It's not a super long one either. Amazing, amazing. Okay, Banana Republic extra small, going back to ThredUP. Just a straight dress. Cable engage, no size. Flowy tank top, I'm guessing this is a medium. Ellie Tahari jeans. I've never gotten Tahari jeans before. Wow, that's a really cool button. Look at that. Some good detail. Okay, these jeans, they're like boot cut, so maybe they'll sell it. Let me look up Ellie Tahari jeans. Okay, so they're doing, I would say like $30 to $60 on Poshmark. That's not bad. So we're under $3. And the last thing, which I'm just, how is this possible? I got a similar jacket that has a ton of likes that still hasn't sold, which I'm not understanding. The super cool French jacket. I got a second one. Like, the other one was from Arizona, but this one came from Pennsylvania. This is also my size. I think this is actually vintage size 10, so it probably will run small, but another French jacket. Another one. This is by Miss Pioneer. Made in Albuquerque. Speechless. And that concludes the box. This is my favorite box. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you like to see these videos. Sometimes they can be a bit tedious, like unboxing of the clothes, which is why I normally haven't been unboxing these, but I think I'm going to start purchasing more of these boxes because they're just like phenomenal. Purchasing these over like so many fun boxes or DIY boxes because I think I make more than enough money doing these and I'm thrilled with this box. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, check out my next video to see what sold my first months on Poshmark. Thank you so much for watching. See you later.